Most people think changing life is difficult, but what if I told you it's actually very easy? In this video, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint I personally use to become part of the top 1%. These techniques are tried, tested, and proven to work, 100%. But here's the deal: if you're not serious about changing your life, don't watch this video. But if you are, then commit. If you watch this video till the end, you must follow what I say. No excuses. Rule number 1, make a routine. I've already explained how to make a proper daily routine in another video titled, The Easiest Self-Improvement Routine. I will provide the link in the description. Watch it right after this video. A solid routine helps you avoid wasting time and energy on useless things. Without one, you're just drifting through life. Rule number 2, discipline. There are certain key actions you must repeat every single day, no matter what. Just follow what I showed you in the Easiest Self-Improvement Routine video. Also, set a 12-hour timer on your laptop and aim for 12 hours of focused work daily, or as much as possible during your spare time. Take a 10-minute break every hour to recharge your mind. Rule number 3, stop consuming digital garbage and junk food. Do you know this? Your consumption shapes your behavior. Behavior shapes your actions. Actions shape your results. So when you constantly consume digital junk, like toxic content or mindless scrolling, your life ends up looking like junk. And the same goes for food. Yes, the junk food you eat also affects your energy, focus, and habits. Eat clean, live clean. Only consume what makes you better. If you want to become a businessman, then consume only business-related content. Eat food that fuels your mind and body. And most importantly, consume less. Implement more. Rule number 4, focus on one goal. We live in a world where people try to juggle too many things, and that keeps them average. But here's what you need to do. Take 10x the time and make it 10x better. That's how you become extraordinary. Today is the day. If you truly want to change your life, you can. You now have the blueprint. No more excuses. Start now.